left, down, right, up.
And we're rocking and ready.
Whoa!
Maybe we skipped something. Who knows? You didn't miss much, most likely.
A lot of slip and a lot of slide.
Welcome to an ice level.
That was stupid. That was so stupid.
Oh.
Wait, I can...
Oh dear. Yeah, you can freeze yourself to death. That's what you can do. And you
Hey,
did it
what's
so well.
fucked up about that? Clank. He just has to wait for his battery to run out. Like, unless the ice short-circuited him.
Well, he could just go into sleep mode until, like, somebody comes and chips you away. You'll be dead, but Clank's fine.
Yeah, but if it ever gets summer here, then he's really fucked because short circuit. Oh, that is so satisfying.
What the fuck are you whacking?
Cause this,
Oh.
it's like you get so hyped that you did that, and then he's like, "Let me give you a hug." Just fucks everything up.
You gotta start double jumping, dude. For real. The name of the game is double jump.
I'm going for the achievement to do it without it. What do you mean that's not real? Okay. This goddamn ice level is such a pain in the ass.
Okay. Now even the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services is making Doge references.
No.
Yeah. With suchhealthcare.gov. So, health insurance. Very benefits. Wow. Mini coverage. Much affordable. When the government starts using a
officially
meme...
dead? It's dead.
Yeah.
Last time I did that, when we weren't fucking filming, I got it on one try. Turn it off. Turn it off so I can do this.
Turn off the radio.
Turn off the game.
I don't want any music.
Are you that black guy who wrote
That's
Friday?
why I turned off the radio. Yeah. How'd you know?
Holy shit. I had a feeling.
I got a feeling. I wrote that song too.
Did you?
Yeah, I've written a lot of great songs.
What do you think great means?
The best.
What do you think? That thing sounds like a fucking pissed off cat. Not gonna get it, not gonna get it.
And you say you beat Mario too? Have you beat the Mario All-Stars pack yet? Ah, you missed the Switch.
I beat Mega Man X before I beat Mario 2. So.
Mega Man X is easier than the original Mega Man games. Be one of those.
I downloaded Mega Man, but I played it for like 5 minutes.
I
don't know about that.
I like Mega Man 2 better.
I know, but I just wanted to like see where it started.
Yeah.
That shit's rough.
Mega Man 3 is pretty good too.
You know what Mega Man I really don't like? 7. Do not care for it.
Yeah.
I downloaded it, played it for like an hour. I hate the way it looks.
Yeah, it looks like a
Fucking
shitty version of X, but plays like a shitty version of like 3 or 2.
Yeah, I couldn't finish it. Let me. When Spider-Man falls, he can redo it in the middle.
I think your timing is way off on it.
How did I get it the first time?
You weren't thinking about it, probably.
Probably not.
And now you're overthinking it, and it's making you stupid.
The fuck out of it.
But if I were to guess, you need to launch it when it gets to the top. And you'll start going as it's going down.
I tried to like jump it. But no bueno. He's like, I can't believe you did it! Oh, you killed me.
You gonna make that joke every time?
Yes,
Because
I
I feel
am.
like we're gonna hear that again a lot.
Okay. Wait for it to get. You mean like go underneath it?
No, like it takes a second to get all the way across the gap, so it'll start pulling you right when. That's not what I meant at all. Don't jump.
Next time I'm just gonna wait for you to say.
Okay. When I say now, you just press the circle button instantly. Don't jump either. Jumping's fucking you up.
Yeah, I don't think I jumped the first time. I get my kid.
Yeah. Go ahead. Say it. Say how that little Yeti felt.
I just had to kill my best friend, so. Then I had to kill his family.
Okay. Get right to the edge there. Is your swing shot ready? Alright, this way. Okay. Now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah. I'm a master of timing. And now you gotta go around on slippery surfaces that are rather small and are covered with dynamite and enemies. Cause why not? Don't be whacking too crazy when you get close to the dynamite.
No. He's just pushing me around.
And now you gotta hit 3 switches on that narrow ass path. Oh god. I don't know if this is gonna happen.
How?
Your best luck is to do like the forward dashes if you can do like a straight line. Do you slip when you're on the button? No, you walk normal on that.
Oh, okay. Redo this.
Yeah, and when you get to the second switch, I think you can forward dash right to the third. You need. Yeah. Whoop! Okay, that was lucky. And that was.
I was hoping to grab onto the other side too. Jesus. I'm offended.
Okay, so forward dash, at least you don't have to do that shit again. Forward dashing might not be the answer. Maybe just, like, jump it or try to walk it as good as you can. But I'd say a little short hops are probably your best bet. That was a narrow-ass path.
Oh, come on. If I don't get it now, I ain't gonna have it.
Alrighty, and this guy's got something to sell you.
Like a jackhammer.
I don't think he's selling the jackhammer.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts.
Nope.
That's myself.
Ha! He's junk.
Keep breaking my grill.
Break up my brick.
Raritanium?
Come on.
What is that? Oh wait, didn't you need Raritanium for like the vacation level or something? So you get this and you can bring it back to the vacation level in the sewers. Didn't the guy need it in there? I think I remember that. Do you remember that?
No.
Okay.
I've blocked out this entire experience.
Well, you need to go to the resort level.
Okay.
It'll get you something cool, I think. Or something lame, but
Probably lame.
what's it hurt? It'll take maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah. Why do I feel that took like longer than
Okay, you want to go to Pokataru. Yep. I was right.
Oh, okay. Okay. I honestly feel like it's the first time I've ever heard Raritanium. But it's not. It can't be. Fucking can't be.
They were talking about that shit when you played this level.
All I remember is the fucking Vegeta.
The what?
The goddamn cucumber pasta.
Oh yeah. Okay. You need to transport to the sewer, so you will be going.
It's this way.
Yeah.
Like in the Chief.
And I think it'll take you right to the guy you need to talk to. Oh, yep. For Persuader. What's the Persuader?
This is precisely what I need.
Alright, nerd. What does it do?
Maybe you should have watched the video so you at least know what the thing fucking was. Hey, you got a trophy. Helipack. Hydropack. It's not that, so it's a weapon. It's not that. Devastating. Walloper. What the fuck is the Persuader?
Dude, did you give it to me? You said I got it, but I think you're a goddamn liar.
What? What is it?